Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, everybody. I know I've been missing for a while, but I'm back. In today's video, I just wanted to do a quick review of these You Are Sugar gel pots. I'm only going to open up one on camera because I have 12. They came in this set of 12. So I'm just going to open one on camera and then I'll swatch the rest and then I'll come back and show you what they look like. So I'm gonna, first I wanted to say I got these from Born Pretty store, and they each came in their own little baggie like this individually. I got this set of 12 and then I got another set of 12 which I'll review in another video. But these, like I said, they all come in these little pots. They have the color number. Those are the color numbers. So I have these lined up by number, if you can tell. So this is the first one, H001, and they do all come with this little foil, which I think is awesome to help protect, and so no leakage in the package, which was great. So I'm just gonna use my little fingernail and open this up. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Okay, that's not gonna work. So I'm gonna try this scissor to get it out. Yeah, I'm just making a mess now. Alright, I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I got that one open. This is what the color looks like. It's kind of thick. Now it looks like gel polish. This is what it's supposed to be. And again, that is this color, H001. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch this real quick and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oops. And really quick, I just wanted to show you guys, this is what I'm going to be using to swatch them. I already have the color numbers written out on each by a nail, so I know where I'm putting each color. So I'm going to be putting that color right here, H001, and I'll be back just a second. And also to swatch these, I'm just using this gel brush that I got from Alpha Brush. It's a number 6. I don't know if it's coming off on the camera. It's kind of metallic, so you may not be able to see that. But it's that. It's a gel brush. Start with a really light coat. This looks like it's gonna take a couple of coats, but not a bad color. Like a dusty pink, yeah. See that? That's pretty. Alright, let me cure this for 30 seconds and I'll be right back. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with the second coat. Let's see what this looks like. Alright, cure that for 60 seconds and I'll be back. Alright, so here is that color after 60 seconds and 2 coats. Excuse my child in the background. But that's after 2 coats. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and swatch the remaining colors and I will be back to show you guys what they all look like. Okay guys, so I got to the last color in the set, H012, and I just wanted y'all to see how different this actual color is from the top of the lid. I mean, this is like a greenish kind of color. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. But then the color is like a mauve or pinky purpley color. So different. Anyway, I just wanted to point that out. So just beware of the tops. I think this was the only one that was that much of a difference. But just beware. Okay guys, so here are all 12 of the colors. I did go in and wipe them with an alcohol wipe afterwards, so they are not no wipe. You do need to wipe them with the alcohol afterwards, but some of them are still kind of streaky. I don't know if you can see this one. So it may be, I put 2 coats on each color, so this one you probably would need 3 coats. And there's a couple others, it may not be coming through on the camera, but from what I can see, some of them do need more than 2 coats. But here are all the colors, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna top coat them real quick so we can see what they look like with top coat, and then I'll be right back to show you guys what they look like. I'm just gonna use my IBD Intense Seal top coat, and we'll do that real quick. Alright guys, here is the final look. They're all top coated and done. I think they look pretty good. Overall, I think I like them. They are what they are, gel polish. You just have to pay attention to how many coats you need for each color. Like I said, some are gonna need more than others, but I think they're pretty good. I like them, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks again for watching, and again, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas if you celebrate, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. Thanks again for watching. Bye.